What is up, YouTube? We're about to go pro with our new GoPro. We're going pro. We're about to go pro. We're about to go on a bike ride around Auckland City. First stop, we're gonna get a bike from Hire Bikes on 99 Beach Road. All right, so just got our bike. Let's go.
From Hire Bike, I rode down Beach Road and ended up at the bottom of Alton Road and Stanley Street. From there, you can jump on to the Grafton Gully Cycleway, and that is the first cycle stop that we're going to be on today.
Yo, for real, I had enough of this hill. I stop up and take a walk. I didn't realize I had the gears on the highest setting. That's why I felt like such a mission this whole time. But I tweaked it, ready to go.
So after fixing my gears, I was back on my way. This whole Grafton Gully Cycleway, I was able to finish it in about 7 minutes. At the end of this ride, you are rewarded with a glorious treat. You get to stop off at Mercury Plaza, one of NZ's oldest food courts, and you can pick up some of New Zealand's #1 tonkotsu ramen.
We're at Japanese kitchen. About to get a bowl at tonkotsu ramen and get some fuel for the rest of the journey. That's alright, thank you. I'm gonna have to crouch a little bit low to get the shot in with the GoPro and the food together.
Fiji water tripod malfunction.
It's the only place that does the Japanese style egg. Try the broth first. Oh, that's good. This is the kind of broth that actually tastes like the chef's son is woken up early this morning to brew a whole bunch of pork together and create a delicious tonkotsu. Let's try some of those noodles. Really, really good texture, nice firmness. It actually tastes like the ramen that you get in Japan, and the reason for that is because these noodles are handmade. Try one of these eggs. Like, look at that runny yolk over there. Really creamy, a little bit of salt inside as well. Delicious.
Got that piece of pork.
Pretty good. In terms of flavor of the broth, the egg, and the noodles, this place is #1 tonkotsu ramen by a long shot in Auckland. Alright, and we are on the road again. We're about to take the new $1 million, or is it $5 million bike lane. I'm not exactly sure where it's going to lead us, so this is going to be a little bit of adventure. I'm really glad that the Grafton one led us to here, because we got to eat some delicious ramen. But yeah, that was good though. Had a little bit of a crash. Do not try multitask. Just gets you into trouble. That's alright, I'm alright. We're gonna carry on. So we're heading down Nelson Street right now. And I think, let's go to Mission Bay.
Now we have just arrived at Mission Bay. This place is so beautiful. I used to run here all the time and it looks just as beautiful as the last time that I saw it. Okay, that sounds like a really bad Hallmark card. But you know what? That is exactly how I feel about this place. Passing the first beach now, this place is a little bit smaller than the main beach. It's a little bit more private. Once you hit the restaurants, you know you're definitely in Mission Bay. There's a whole bunch of different places to choose from. If you're looking for something at a reasonable price, then I recommend Burger Fuel, Mexicali, or the fish and chip store. You're going to be paying around about $15 per meal. If you're looking for something a little bit higher end, then you got the D Fontaine or Portofino's, but you're probably going to be expecting to pay $30 to $40 if you're getting a drink. But there is quite a bit of variety, so take your pick. With all this exercise, I'm looking to give myself a little bit of a treat. So I'm heading over to New Zealand Natural to get a blueberry yogurt ice cream. Cost is $8.
Just gonna relax out here for a little bit. Blueberries and yogurt. Better than a nice ice cream on a nice sunny day out at Mission Bay. Nothing. It's only 15-minute ride out here. The only thing you kind of have to bear in mind when you're out here is this beach gets pretty busy. So yeah, there's a lot of people out here, a lot of barbecues, a lot of sports games going on, but you know, it's all good. GoPro is lasting pretty good. On about 10% battery right now.
If you want to go on this trip, you probably want to allow half a day. About 1.5 hours of cycling and then 1 or 2 hours here and there as you stop off to get food and take photos.
If you did like this bike tour around Auckland City, please hit that like and subscribe button. Plenty more footage to come. If you want to get notified, ring that little bell icon as well. But yeah, this is the end of the bike tour around Auckland.